Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Gas line installation costs $12 to $25 per linear foot. Repairs are $6 to $7 per foot. The cost to run a gas line from an existing connection is $355 to $743, while adding a pipe from the meter is $500 to $2,000. Converting to natural gas or installing a new line from street to house costs $2,000 plus.
Let's help you make your mark.
If it is a major leak, they may shut off the gas immediately. They will then conduct the proper testing to locate the leak. This could include pressurizing the line with air, soaping down all exposed fittings, isolating lines, accessing lines in the wall, and excavating lines underground.
Let's help you make your mark.
Is gas or electric cheaper? Natural gas is almost always cheaper than electricity. Choosing all gas appliances can save you up to 30% on your utility bill. Gas appliances cost more upfront, but over time, gas will save you money on your utility bill. 28 September 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Hooking up a gas range or water heater is a relatively simple job requiring just basic tools and readily available supplies. And if you use the right materials and follow instructions carefully, you can safely do the job yourself. A professional may charge as much as a few $100s for a hookup.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.